Been having a hard time uploading your symbolism project. So I wanted to show you how to submit an assignment right now to Schoology. So I'm going to show you two different ways. I'm going to show you how to submit a file that you have saved on your computer. I'm also going to show you how to submit a document that you have in OneDrive. So this is just a random assignment that I asked Miss Lombard to create for me so that I could model this. So I've actually already practiced submitting it once. So I'm going to resubmit it. You should have a button here that says Submit Assignment. So you're going to click on that button that says Submit Assignment. So I'm going to first upload this file. So I'm just going to click on this little, it looks like a piece of paper, and when I hover over it, File pops up. So I'm going to click there, and I'm going to go and I'm going to find my PowerPoint, and it's going to load, and I'm going to click Submit. So when I click Submit, if I actually come over after I've submitted it and I click on what I submitted is actually going to load. So it's a really good practice after you've submitted something to Schoology to actually just click on it and double check that you submitted what you wanted to submit. So this is my symbolism project, so that's great. So now what I want to do is I want to try to submit this through OneDrive. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to come up to the top. So if you have it saved in OneDrive, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you come up to the top and click on this little Resources tab. So you're going to click there. And the first thing I want you to do is I want you to come down along the left side and I want you to click on Apps. So when I click on Apps, I have the ability to install apps. So you're going to just click Agree, and I can choose any of the apps that I want to install. I actually already have OneDrive installed, so I'm going to click on it here. But if I didn't have OneDrive installed, I'm going to click Install App, I agree, and then I'm going to click on OneDrive, and I'm going to click Install. When you do that, you may need to log in. Actually, let me see if I can show you this through Google Drive and show you what this is going to look like. So if I click Install, I'm going to click like Connect. You might have a different button, but you'll click whatever the buttons are until you actually see your OneDrive pop up. Okay, so you see my whole Google Drive pop up. Here's my OneDrive. Great, so now I know that I have my OneDrive loaded. It is syncing with Schoology. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to come back to that assignment. So I'm going to go back to Miss Lombard's course and find that assignment. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Submit Assignment. And instead of clicking Upload, I want to go to Resources. So I'm going to click on Resources. So up along the top, I have Upload, Create, and Resources. Then I'm going to click on Apps. So when I click on Apps, any of the apps that I have loaded are going to populate. So I'm going to come down to OneDrive. And now I can actually see my entire OneDrive here. So I'm going to scroll through my OneDrive and I'm going to find this project. So it's Miss Reneke's example project, and I'm going to click on it. So I'll unclick so you can see. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click Import and Import File. Okay, so now I can click on it. And my project has loaded this way as well. So let me just quickly remind you how you do that. If you are submitting through OneDrive, you're going to come up to Resources, Apps. You'll come down to OneDrive. You'll find the file. You'll click on it and you'll click Import, Import File. Okay, so that is how you are going to upload your project, either as a file or through OneDrive. I would love for you to go upload your projects to Schoology.